If you've ever wondered how to get the most out of your all-inclusive vacation, this video is for you. What's going on, travelers? Eric here with the All-Inclusive Exclusive. From planning your trip to enjoying every amenity, I've got the ultimate do's and don'ts to make your vacation stress-free and unforgettable. Stick around because tip number 7 could even save you hundreds of dollars. Let's dive in. First up, the planning stage. Do research thoroughly. Check reviews on trusted sites like TripAdvisor, Google Reviews, and YouTube to see what recent guests are saying about the resort. Sometimes, resorts with glowing past reviews may have dipped in quality, so staying updated is key. Don't book without reading the fine print. Not all-inclusive resorts are created equal. Some include premium alcohol and excursions, while others charge extra. You need to know what's included so you can avoid surprises. Now let's talk about packing. Do bring essentials like sunscreen, bug spray, and medication. Resorts tend to overcharge for these items because they know their limit. A reusable tumbler is also a game changer for keeping your drinks cool by the pool. Don't overpack. Most resorts have casual dress codes and you'll spend most of your time in swimwear. Keep it light and don't forget small bills for tipping. But do keep in mind that some resorts have dress codes for their nicer restaurants. You'll want to research this in advance. Now you've arrived. Let's go. What you do want to do is have your reservation details and ID ready for a smooth check-in. Take the time to explore the resort and learn where everything is. It'll save you time and energy later. Don't hesitate to ask about upgrades. Sometimes you can snag a better room or perks for free or a small upgrade fee. Foodies, this one's for you. What you do want to do is make your reservations at specialty restaurants early, especially at popular resorts. Slots fill up fast. And don't shy away from trying the local cuisine. It's all part of the experience. Don't overindulge on your first day. Trust me, feeling sluggish will ruin your vibe for the entire trip. Also, avoid peak dining hours if you're looking for a quieter, more romantic meal. Now let's talk about excursions and fun. What you do want to do is book your excursions through reputable company. Look for reviews and compare prices. Resorts often have great free activities like snorkeling or yoga, so take advantage of these. Don't wait until the last minute to book your tour. Popular ones sell out fast. And don't ignore the safety instructions. They're there for a reason. A pro tip on activities is to make sure you look at the calendar for your resort or download their app so you know what's going on. There may be a tequila tasting or a taco class. You want to take advantage of these free activities. Also, speaking of free activities, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button right there, and comment down below on a video you'd like to see me make in the future. It helps the channel grow and helps me keep bringing you travel-related content. All right, let's talk about that one that everybody gets all up in arms in the comments about. Let's talk about showing appreciation. Do tip generously for good service. Bartenders, waitstaff, and housekeeping often rely on tips to supplement their income, and local currency is appreciated if you're off the resort. Don't forget the less visible staff, like those who restock your minibar, and while tipping is important, don't feel pressured to overtip. Know the local customs. Number 7, let's talk about general resort etiquette. A little etiquette goes a long way. We've all seen those crazy travelers in the airports. Well, the same thing happens at all-inclusive resorts. Do be courteous to staff and fellow guests. Respect quiet hours and family-friendly zones if applicable. Don't be the person who reserves a pool chair all day and never uses it. And please don't blast your own personal music or disrupt others. You're on vacation, but it's not a frat party. All good things must come to an end. So as you're checking out, do double-check your bill for any mistakes and leave feedback if the resort requests it. Positive reviews help great staff shine, and constructive criticism helps resorts improve. A side note on this, a lot of times if you do leave a review and you mention the staff who's been the most helpful by name, they do receive some incentive from them. So be sure to recognize those top performers. Don't leave packing for the last minute. You want to enjoy your final moments at the resort, so get your packing done early and go enjoy the amenities the resort has to offer. And that's it for my ultimate do's and don'ts of an all-inclusive resort. Have you learned something new, or maybe you have your own tips to share? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more all-inclusive tips, reviews, and travel hacks. Until next time, safe travels, and I'll see you at the pool bar. Let's go.